Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most important organs in our body, the kidney. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering out waste and toxins from our bodies. However, due to our unhealthy lifestyle and diet, our kidneys often get overloaded with toxins, leading to various health issues. So, let's dive into some ways to clean your kidney. The first and most important way to keep your kidneys healthy is by staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and waste products from our bodies. It also helps prevent kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Eating a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables can also help keep your kidneys healthy. Foods like berries, apples, spinach, and kale are rich in antioxidants that help protect our kidneys from damage. Avoiding processed foods and excessive salt intake can also help prevent kidney damage. Regular exercise is also essential for maintaining healthy kidneys. Exercise helps improve blood flow and reduces the risk of developing chronic kidney disease. It also helps control blood pressure and blood sugar levels, which are major risk factors for kidney damage. Managing stress is also crucial for keeping your kidneys healthy. Stress can lead to high blood pressure, which can damage your kidneys over time. Practicing meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help reduce stress levels and promote overall well-being. Drinking herbal teas like dandelion tea, nettle tea, or parsley tea can also help detoxify your kidneys. These teas have diuretic properties that help flush out toxins from your body and improve kidney function. So, these are some of the ways to clean your kidney. It's essential to take care of your kidneys as they play a vital role in keeping your body healthy and functioning correctly. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. See you in the next one.